Everyone loves a great product, right? And lucky for them, you have an excellent product to offer. But you have a bit of a problem. You don't know how to market it. You could try some old approaches, like newspaper advert, a radio spot, word of mouth, or going from door to door like a bloody cave dweller. Will it work? To be honest, probably not. Don't worry, because there's a solution. It is video. Yes, video. 39 billion videos are viewed per month, only in the US. That's 16 hours per person per month. At iDrawing, we can transform that boring text into engaging videos that will make the viewers focus on your product and take action. How does it work? The process is pretty easy. First, provide a script. Second, choose a voiceover. Third, sit back and relax. That's it. Simple, right? Why choose us, you may ask? Over 4,800 customers tried our services and they love it, with an overall rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. Original artwork, not those recycled drawings you see on every other gig. Fast turnaround and a bunch of free revisions to make sure you're satisfied with the final product.